Welcome, I'm your host Diana, and every week I show you a brand new tool that you could use in your business. Now let's go ahead and hop over to my screen so we could take a closer look.
Alright, in this video I'm going to share with you how to create these charts off of an information that you provide. For example, I am using this as a comparison for Nashville versus Charleston. So if you're a realtor trying to compare two cities, you can certainly use this. So I will show you exactly how I create this. So for example, what I do here is I will, in my Google Doc, and make sure to download this. This is 25 ways to use this AI program. It's for free, so the Google link is down below. And so I go back to my article here, and this is what I want to create. So which state is better to move to? So I'm going to copy this article part that I want to create an image for. So I go back here, and I'm going to just paste it on the bottom. Actually, you just have to click on the left side, and then it's going to generate images that you can choose from to include in your blog post, or if you needed images to send to clients. As you can see, there's different styles that you can choose from. So I think I'm just going to go with this one. And I'm going to insert my label here because I want to be able to put my website. Sometimes people copy things, online, and then they never give credit. So I'm just going to put that here in case somebody copies this image. All right. So I selected this, and I want to make this a little bit smaller. So I'm going to select the small. And then as for the color, I want it to be gray. And I'm going to move that in the center here. I could put it on the bottom, on the side, wherever you feel is best. But this is the way that I can watermark this image. So once you're done and you like the way that this looks, I gotta highlight all of this image. And then I'm gonna click download. I usually have the background off. This is what it looks like. It will have either a light or a dark mode. I usually go with light because my website is light, but it's at your preference if you want the dark mode. And then I usually turn off the background because I want it to blend into whatever website that I have it on, or if I'm using this on a video that I'm creating. And the resolution, I usually leave it at 1 because the file gets really large. See, it changed to 1400. This one's 2100. So I'm going to just leave it at 1 resolution, and it's usually fine. So I'm just going to download that. And once I downloaded that, I'm going to go back to my article and then insert it here. So insert my image, upload from the computer, and this is the image. So I'm going to rename that Tennessee Culture. And I'm going to upload. So you could literally move this around if you wanted to. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing for Charleston. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to the AI platform. I'm going to paste this. And I'm going to just click that. It's going to generate an image for me that I could select a different style. So I don't like that one. How to explore Charleston. Yeah, this one's nice. They have so many different images that you can choose from that I absolutely love. So I think I'm just gonna go with this one up here because I do like the way that it looks. And then I could further select a style that I wanted to. So I think I'm gonna go with that one. And then here you can watermark it. So what I can do is I can add a watermark, and I could put it just underneath here or on top, all of this image in here in order to download it. So I'm gonna hit download, and then I just hit download. So now I'm gonna go back to my article, and I'm going to insert it where I want the image. I'm going to insert image, upload from computer, and here it is. And then I'm going to say Charleston culture. There we go. And then I'm just going to upload that, load it. There it is. So this is what it looks like. And here is my blog post or article. And I could do the exact same thing for any one of these paragraphs here. And this is just a very quick way. And also, you know, mixing it in with other images that you can get online. Just make sure that when you use that, you provide the source where you retrieved it from. See here, the source. I think that this is a great tool to use, and make sure that you grab your free 25 ways of how to use Napkin AI suggestions. It's down below, and thanks for watching.
Well, friend, what did you think about this new tool? What did you like and what didn't you like? How are you going to use this in your business? I'd love to read your idea down below. If you haven't received your LPT guide, what are you waiting for? It is free. Comment the word guide and I'll send it to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. In the meanwhile, check this out.